Helicopters are just one of the ways of transferring harbour pilots to incoming vessels. This is an introduction to harbour pilot helicopter transfers. The winchman needs to keep a watchful eye on the extremities of the helicopter while engines are starting up. The winchman will then board the helicopter and check internal comms as he buckles himself up. The winchman will log startup times, fuel quantities, the name of the harbour pilot and the ship he's flying to. In the meantime, the helicopter pilots will complete their pre-flight checks. On liftoff, the winchman will monitor clearances to the rear. The helicopter will then swing nose into the wind before lifting off to the rear at about 45 degrees. At takeoff decision point, a height of approximately 80 foot, the winchman will close the door and the helicopter will gain forward momentum. The helicopter reports its movements to Virginia Airport and reports the amount of people on board to port control. The helicopter now contacts the ship to confirm that they are ready to receive their pilot by winch. On approach to the ship, the wind, the swell and the deck space will be assessed. Once the helicopter has reduced down to a safe speed, the door may now be opened. Once the marine pilot has been connected to the hoist, he may now remove his seatbelt. The winch area is confirmed and any specific last course and speed requests are given to the ship. The pilot now removes his headset and steps out onto the railing before resting his weight into the strop and then guiding himself down past the railing. Elbows are kept below the strop at all times and look out for any unexpected obstacles. The hoisted pilot can use his legs to control any possible spinning. Once the pilot touches deck, he undoes the strop and guides it up to avoid catching anywhere. Running commentary is given to the helicopter pilot by the winchman throughout the operation. No external communication will be engaged in throughout the process. The helicopter will hover off the vessel until the winch is secure and the door is closed. A final report is made to port control as the helicopter returns.